Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Instagram customer service. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for Instagram customer service. So you simply need to click on that, and then you simply need to click on contact us, and here you need to click on what best describe your issue, so you can click on data access, and then you can select any option. So I'm going to select this one. For example, here you need to enter your full name, your country of residence. So from here you need to select your country, and after that here you need to enter your email, and here you can see that please note that all fields are required in order for us to process your request. We reserve right to request further information where our request is incomplete or inaccurate. Then you click on I agree and click on send. Then you can receive an email from Instagram customer service. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.